Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Impreza tail lights. This is a straightforward process that you can complete in about 15 minutes with just a few basic tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb for your specific Impreza model. Let's get started by gathering our tools and preparing the vehicle for the replacement. First, open your Subaru Impreza's trunk or hatchback to gain access to the back of the tail light assembly. You will typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws or plastic clips that secure the entire light unit. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are all out, gently pull the tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. With the tail light assembly removed, identify the specific bulb socket that needs replacing. Give the socket a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Firmly insert the new bulb into the socket. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Gently push it back into position. Reinstall all 2 or 3 retaining screws or clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new tail light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.